In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Store's filter and sort feature. To begin, open your Wix site editor. From the left side, click Pages and Menu. Inside that section, go to Store Pages, then select the Category page. This is the page where your product listings appear, and it is where you can control how shoppers browse through items more easily. Once you are on the Category page, click directly on the main product gallery grid. Make sure you are selecting the actual gallery that displays your products, not just the page background or another section. After the gallery is selected, click Settings. This will open the options that control how the product grid behaves and what customers can use while shopping. Next, go to the Filters tab. In this area, turn on the Enable Filters option. This allows shoppers to narrow down what they see in your store, which can make the shopping experience much easier, especially if you have a larger product catalog. When filters are enabled, customers can quickly find products that match what they are looking for without needing to scroll through everything. After that, choose the filter fields you want to show. You will see options such as category, price, and product options. Check the boxes next to the filters you want to make available. For example, category helps customers browse by product type. Price helps them shop within a budget, and product options can help them find items based on things like size or color, depending on how your store is set up. Only enable the filters that make sense for your products so the store stays clean and easy to use. Now move to the Product Gallery Customization area. Click Customize, then scroll down until you see Sorting Options. Check the box next to Sorting Options to make sorting available to your customers. This feature gives shoppers more control over how products are displayed, which can improve navigation and help them find items faster. Finally, review the available sorting choices and deselect any options you do not want customers to see. This is useful if you want to keep the shopping experience simple or guide visitors toward the sorting methods that best fit your store. Removing unnecessary choices can make the interface feel more polished and easier to understand. Once you finish these adjustments, your Wix Store category page will have filter and sort features that help customers browse more efficiently. That covers everything you need to know.